It's time for the juicy thing. How do you make money with Temu running simple Facebook ads? And this will give you a lot of money, thousands of dollars and thousands of naira, depending on where you're from. Let's go on this video so you see how this will happen. You simply come on Facebook. I'm not going to talk about how to create a Facebook ad account. This is not what that video is. If you want to watch a video like that, the video pop in your screen, please go there and watch the video after you're done with this one, or go to the comment section, the description of the video and you'll see a link to a video that can tell you exactly how to make that happen. So you simply come and click on create. If you've done all you have to do, click on create, meaning you're trying to create a campaign. This is what you do. Simply click on sales. That's what you want. All right. And don't worry, you don't have a sales page, you don't have a website. We can still go ahead. Click on continue. So what I mean, create, sales, continue. Click on that. When you click on that, what's going to do is it's going to open all of this. Do all of this. You don't have to open this, no problem. Just don't, okay, no, don't show this again. Good. Now, ideally you should have a website for this to work because they're running conversion ads. But one thing you need, or two things you need, is that you need a Facebook page for this to work. Okay, a Facebook page, a WhatsApp account connected to your ad account. So this is what you do. You simply come here and name this account. Name it. Name this account. Say CCTV camera, CCTV solar camera. I think that's the name of the product. I currently promote this product in different countries, so I don't have a problem showing you. So please go ahead if you must. CCTV solar camera, and this also works for affiliate marketing products. Okay, so what I'm trying to do is a drop shipping, set up for drop shipping, but it's also work for affiliate marketing. So once you're done with this, everything, leave it the way it is. Don't do anything again. Campaign budget, no problem. Leave this on. If you must, you could just come here and change in the whatever you want to put in here. Now, to make this particular strategy work, if you're going to use this strategy, I advise you use a healthy budget per day for your ad. Okay, so put whatever you want works for you there. I'm going to put in 20k just for the sake of this tutorial. Okay, and if you click on this, come up here. Let's make sure we have the campaign. Okay, it's for sales. Okay, campaign objective for sales. See it here. We've done that. Okay, so scroll down, make sure everything is good. Don't change anything else. Click on next. Now this takes you to the next, which is the ad set campaign. Now this is what you do next. Please pay close attention. Click on message when it comes to the location. Click on message, that's the destination. And once you've done that, you simply choose which of the pages you want this to, which of the Facebook page you want to carry this ad. Now also include your WhatsApp number. That's why I say you have to connect a WhatsApp number to this account. Very important. So click on connect, and this will pop out. It's gonna ask you to pick your country code, do all of that. Put your country code, your number, and you're good to go. Okay. So when you're done, scroll down, down, picking the location. Just clicking this. If you're going to run this ad in Nigeria, just put Nigeria. Or if you want specific places in Nigeria, maybe Lagos, Abuja, Calabar, wherever. In America, maybe you want Maryland, whatever, just do that. If you're running, if this is for affiliate marketing, it's good to pick a whole state, or a whole country, it's fine. But if this is for drop shipping, pick the areas or states that you cover, or your supplier covers. So once you're done, I'm going to leave this in Nigeria. You scroll down, and the next thing you do is going to ask you for placement. Where do you want to make your placement? However, before we do that, let's have some more controls over our ad set, meaning people that can see our ads. You see there's a minimum age here. After clicking show more controls, you click on it here, and ideally it will ask you to change what age and whatnot. Okay, but that's not what you want to do. What you want to do is come down here. So until you connect your phone number to this, it's going to show you the age, audience metrics that you can use. But for the sake of this, let's go ahead. I'm just going to put this at 22 because of the product I want to sell. The minimum for the kind of product I want to sell. Now let's go 25. That's the minimum age. Okay, and once that is done, what limit? If you want to limit, you could do that. If you want to limit people who would see your ad, but don't do that, please. It's not advisable you do that. Okay, so what you do next is click on next here, but make sure you name this. So name this. So you can say put the age, maybe the age of the people you think would see this. If it's, since you say the minimum is 25 or 25 years. Okay, don't worry, nobody sees this, just you. Okay, I'll scroll down again. All right, please make sure you connect your WhatsApp. Very important. All right, so once you're done, you come on placement, click on show more, and click on this placement control here, and then remove everything. Okay, I think everything's fine. Now, because we've not connected our Instagram account and our WhatsApp, that's why here we're seeing just Facebook. So it is good, leave it the way it is, because what we'll be using videos for this ad. And don't worry, I will show you where we'll get the videos from. The next thing you do is come down and click on next. When you click on next, it brings you here, which is the ad where you put in the ad content, the ad copy and the ad image, right? So if you scroll down, you see where you put in the ad creative. But where do you get this ad creative? Simply come on YouTube. When you're on YouTube, type the name of the product you want. And once you type the name of the product you want, sorry, let me go back. You will see several options. But before you pick any options, click on filter. Click on Creative Commons. This Creative Commons means that the ads you'll be seeing, I mean, the videos you hear, you can use them. Nobody would fine you or have a problem with you using them. Okay, so you can use them. So just scroll until you see shorts. You need YouTube shorts. Okay, you don't need this landscape wild videos. You just need the shorts, the vertical, the horizontal type. I don't like this one. All right, great. So videos like this kind of videos you need. Just scroll, you will see the of the products we sell. But then you will still see. Just pick one that you think would do the trick for you. Okay, let's go back. I had one already before. This is the one I have. Right. So if you click on it, all right. Okay. So you simply click on share, copy the link, and then come to a website here that can help you download this video, because you need the video downloaded on your device. All right. So once the video is downloaded, all you do is you take this video, and then this is the video you use to run your ad. You can use this particular video, or you can use any other video. See? So if you can, I would advise you edit this video. Edit the video, go on CapCut, edit video, put your phone number here. Put your phone number so they see, so this video becomes yours. But I'm not going to do that now because I don't want the video to be too long. You simply go back to your ad, all right? You come up here, click on Setup Creative. Click on Setup Creative, Add Video. When you click on Add Video, you simply come on here and upload video. Click on Upload Video. It's going to ask you which of the videos you want to upload. The one we downloaded, this one. Then click on Open. Wait for it. It's going to upload and we'll have it here. Remember, put in your phone number and the price. Please, very important. Phone number and price. If it's affiliate marketing, tell them you can put on the video, click video, click link on description. The beautiful thing is that with Facebook ads, you can click links on description. So you can easily do that. It's loading up, wait for it to do its thing. Now you see in minutes, we have gotten our content. We don't have to go make a video ourselves. Except we have the product, we can. We don't have the product, which is not compulsory to do that. Save yourself a whole lot of headache. Okay, so let's go on next. Still loading up. Okay, loading up. Okay, great. So it's done. Close this, click on next. So type in whatever it is you want to type in here. So I'm going to take what Temu gave us, although I would make it more nicer. This is not, I mean, I'd give it more juice. Okay, but let's just use this for now. This will do for now. Okay, so this is the link for them to buy it, whatnot. So we go on here and just say get one today while promo lasts, something like this. Okay, this is just to motivate your audience to buy. Okay, the next thing you do, just put a little bit of description. You can come here, just say just like this. You can just do this. Okay, now call to action. Order now. Simple. Don't put any other thing, just put order now. Once that is done, you're good to go. You click on next. This is the video. It's going to play. All right, so just click on skip, continue. Do this like this, click next, click done. So you see, this is a video. This is how a video looks. All right, see, very nice. Order now, get one today while promo lasts. You could put in the price if you want to. Get one today for just one today for just you. One today for just 80K. All right. So now we scroll down again, and then we simply create a called a greeting, an automated greeting. You can come on here, click on edit to edit the greetings you get. When you come here, please remove how can I help you? Just go straight to the business of the day. Just paste this. Or you could simply say get the solar CCTV for just 80K promo price. Then put an outrageous price for the off promo price. You could say 280 for original price. Then you come down and say promo ends in the coming days. Promo ends soon. Okay. So they've seen this. So this tells them, okay, I think I need to, speed this up. All right. Then questions here if you want this. I usually will close all of this, but if you want to automate this, how can I make a purchase? All right. You could just say here, you can say click on this link. Okay. Click here. You could just say click here to get the product. Okay. And here you just put in the link. I'm going to put in something. I'm going to put in, let's say www.vera.com. Assuming that's the link. All right. So you answer that question. So whatever questions you have, just put them here so that when people come and ask this question and they click on here, and I make a purchase, you'll see, yes, click here to get this product. The answer is here. Click yes. Click here to get this product. How much does it cost? You can come here and say, okay, cost 80,000 naira. You can come back here, take the information you put in here, okay, and repeat it here. Well, how much does it cost? And don't worry, you can always change this question if you want to. Okay, where are you located? Or you could just say we deliver to you. So you can remove this question if you don't want it. I'm going to remove this question. Don't need it. Okay, so this is it, guys. Pretty much what you need. And what we do is, if this video is too fast for you, please watch it again and again. Take your time so you make sure you don't miss out on anything. So just save this message pattern or style. You can edit it anytime you want. And once you're done, you just click on publish. Click on publish, your ad would be reviewed, and after it's been reviewed, you go live. Now let's come back here. Remember I said if you can put in your in the link here, you can put in your affiliate link. You could just put in this link, but make sure you mask this link. Don't just put Temu. If you put Temu, people who have problem with Temu will not click that link. So you go to bit.ly and mask this link, shorten it, change it, and put in your own link. So once they see, click on it, it takes them to Temu, and they don't have a problem just to buy it because they will see that the price is still consistent. All right. So really, there's really no reason for them not to buy. Okay. And even if they don't buy from you, in the next 30 days, if they come back to that website to Temu and buy any other thing, you get a commission from it. This is how you run ads on Temu using Facebook ads. In the future, I'm going to also make a video on how to do that using TikTok ads. So if you want to get that video, I recommend you subscribe to this channel, click on the bell button so you don't miss any time the video pops up. And then feel free to ask questions, share this video with anybody you think this might help. And if you have questions, let us know in the comment section. We'll help you with the questions. This is Cash Flow Crew. We want your cash to flow too. So stick around for the next one.